Fashion people, hello, my name is Gabriel Baradee, and if you want to live of your own designs, of your own fashion label, then 2025 is the year you can start that, and then this video is for you. I will show you today a very powerful technique where you can evaluate and where you can start to be super successful in 2025. It's a method I am applying on a regular basis and I would like to show you. So let's jump into the video. So on a piece of paper, you put a circle with 10 segments and then you divide this circle into 3 parts. These 3 parts have to be divided into 3 parts of themselves, so you come up with 9 parts. So these 3 sections, they stand for health, they stand for relations, which is also a very important task, and the third one would be work. And now we are going to divide these 3 main sections into 3 subsections each to evaluate where you are aligned with or not. And health, we divide it into mental, physical, and spiritual. You also can think as body, mind, and soul. So how is your body? How is your physique? How is your mental health? How is your spiritual health? So this is a part where you divide your whole health into 3 sections, and you write them down so you can evaluate them and show how aligned you are. And relations is the next one. You have a romance, you have a family, and then you have friends. So you divide all your relations you have into 3 sections. And work is the next one, where you have money, you have growth, and you have mission. Mission you can also see as job or as your career in general. If you want to make it that way, money, if you're happy with your money situation. And growth, of course, is the growth you're doing in your work, in your career, in your job situation. So can you grow into this thing? And this is the 3 sections you have, and now you have to put the number where you are at this point of stage. It will be clearer because I will do this now for you, and I will show you exactly how mine will work and how mine will look like. So please pause the video and do it for yourself. I highly recommend that you now marking out where you are, how aligned in this special area you are, or how satisfied you are. You can also see it that way. So, and now you can, this is my wheel, for example, and now I see, okay, in this third, in the health section, for example, I would like to do more physical things. So I circle this, and then I will write down what I could do to get towards my physically goals, what that would be. Romance is friends, so I have no time at all. I should make some more time for friends and good friends. So this is one part. And then here, I mean, of course, money and growth and mission is very, I'm very happy, but it could be more, of course, and especially in the growth section. So I will work on that. And then now I will write some notes what my goals would be for 2025. So this is the Wheel of Life exercise. It's a great exercise you could do. And of course, connecting to each other is a very important thing. So I would like to encourage you to check out my Discord server where you are, every single designer is very welcomed. We can exchange, we can have ideas and so on, to have the best 2025, a great year coming up. And I would love to see you either in the next video or on the Discord server. Comment, leave a feedback. I'm there for you. See you soon.